Hey, in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make more sales by talking to the decision maker. But the decision maker is not who you think it is. Hi, my name's Chris Burfield, author of Propaganda Marketing Machine and founder and CEO of VanBurf Media. And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you one of 6 stimuli that can help you access your customer's reptilian brain. Yes, the decision maker is located inside your customer's reptilian brain. You see, we actually have 3 brains. We have the neocortex, which is this outer layer, and then we've got the middle brain, also known as the limbic system, and then we have the reptilian brain. And all decision making, according to neuroscience, is inside the reptilian brain. So the question becomes, how do you access the reptilian brain? Well, there's only 6 stimuli that can directly access that part of the brain. And in today's video, I'm gonna go over one technique you can use in your marketing that will help you do just that. As I said, there are only 6 stimuli that can help you access the reptilian brain directly. Those 6 stimuli are self-centeredness, remarkable, visual, emotional, tangible, and we're gonna be talking about contrast today. So what exactly is contrast? Well, I'm going to clear that up for you today, hopefully by showing you some examples of how you would use contrast in your marketing. So let's take this advertisement right here for Burf's Burgers. So I want you to look at their burger, and then I want you to look at Burf's Burger, our burger. So when you're looking at this, is it easy for you to make a decision on which burger joint you're going to eat at? Do you really want to eat at their burger joint after looking at this ad, or do you want to eat at Burf's Burgers? My guess is that you want to eat at Burf's Burgers. So contrast is when you show a drastic difference between you and your competitor. Contrast is black and white, positive, negative, hot, cold, day, night. That is contrast. Let's take a look at another advertisement. Okay, let's take a look at this next example. This right here, this is Cy Sperling from the Hair Club for Men. Remember this guy? This ad campaign was extremely successful. I'm not just the president, I'm also a client. Why was this campaign so successful? Because Cy used contrast. No hair, lots of hair. Very easy for balding men to make a decision to get into the Hair Club for Men. And finally, we have this cosmetic surgery ad. So if we look at the girl on the left, she has a very large nose, and then the exact same girl on the right with a small, dainty nose. So again, this advertisement is using contrast. If you're considering plastic surgery, it's very easy for you to make a decision to call this doctor's office because you can see just how drastic the difference can be. So those are some examples of how you might use contrast in your marketing. If you're not using contrast already, you'll want to adopt this discipline into all of your marketing campaigns. The more contrast you can show, the easier it's going to be for people to make a decision to choose you over the competition. So hey, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, do me a favor, click the share button. And if you're watching this on YouTube, click the subscribe button so you're always first to get our latest content. In the meantime, I'll catch you on the flip side.